This video shows how to reflect on the past year, set simple goals, and take small, realistic steps to make the next year better without pressure. Before you plan the next year, it's important to understand where you are now. Many people try to move forward without stopping to look back. But clarity comes from reflection. You can't build the future if you don't understand your present. Step 1. Gently review the current year. Take a piece of paper and write down the events that happened this year. Use your phone gallery, your calendar, bank statements, messages, or notes. This helps you remember what really mattered, not just what felt loud or stressful. Then answer these questions. What was the biggest event of the year? What was the most important decision you made? What was the hardest challenge you faced? Who influenced you the most this year? Who did you influence the most? What didn't happen and why? What do you never want to repeat again? What was the most exciting or joyful experience? In which moments did you feel alive, confident, or proud? These answers help you understand the results of the year. Based on your experience, lessons learned, current situation, and opportunities, you can set more realistic and meaningful goals for the next year. They also help you understand what truly motivates you. Step 2. Understand what you want more of. Now look at the whole year and ask yourself, when did I feel successful? When did I feel like myself? What gave me energy instead of taking it away? This is not about perfection, it's about awareness. Step 3. Build goals for the next year. Now you're ready to look forward. Ask yourself, how do I want the next year to feel? What 3 things can I say no to? What is important for me professionally or in my career? What do I want to change or improve in my relationships? What new skill do I want to develop? Choose goals in the main areas of life, for example, health, relationships, money, career, or self-realization. Step 4. Break goals into very small steps. The brain doesn't like big, vague tasks. They feel overwhelming and unclear. So for each goal, ask, what result do I want in 6 months? What should change in 3 months? What can I do in the first month? What is one small step I can take tomorrow? Small steps keep your brain calm and focused. This is how motivation stays alive. Step 5. Add emotion to your goals. The brain is motivated by emotion, not numbers. Don't just imagine the result, feel it. For example, if your goal is better health, imagine how your body feels, how your clothes fit, how confident and light you feel, how others look at you, and how you look at yourself. Emotion gives energy to action. Step 6. Celebrate small wins. Every small step matters. When you notice progress, your brain receives a reward signal and wants to continue. Celebration is not indulgence, it's psychological fuel. In summary, 1. Review the past year honestly, successes and failures. 2. Define goals in key life areas, health, relationships, money, career. 3. Break each goal into small, clear steps. 4. Attach emotion to your goals. 5. Celebrate progress.